Kisii awase kampani y'ekinguru cy'omuriro ya KPLC yabereye kubwatirana ne wizara y'ekisemi eryokorwa amaigero gokyasaba orokya kubwatikana n'obutumeki bw'estima anene ase chiskuru okwana ase skuru y'obubundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic nigo abo bisakorwa ase chinseme cyo baboririe aborokya kwenekya bunango tume kabare estima senchira ibwenerete na kubuli abamenyi be county ya Kisii kwenekya bunetero bakubekerwa estima gosimuchando ndebwensi estima bereko gotoka babe bakorigia abantu babwate obumanyi bwa mangana yo muri keito Josephat Hamisi noroboti urwasubuime
buna enjira eyemo yogokea nime basukano egiye konyara ko bekoretwe kubatikana n'ekinguru cy'umuriro mbono lige company ya Kenya Power yabwatanire amane wizara y'ekisemi kwena na morokeri wa yokwenekya buna emibasukane yu yenyarire ko bagekoera.
So the reason why we are having this meeting today and across a few other counties is as a result of electrocutions that have happened across the country. This is a partnership between the Ministry of Education and Kenya Power to sensitize officers, Ministry of Education and Teacher Service Commission officers, and also end teachers and teachers champions, safety champions in schools. This is as a result of having our children who are in school.
Coming home to Kisii, last year we had 12 electrocutions, and it is our wish that we bring that number to nil. And towards that journey, we have had several education forums with the members of the society, and the numbers have come drastically down this year. This year so far, we've only registered 2 cases, and we are saying we should have nil at any one given moment.
Abo bisa abobe company ya Kenya Power niko batebire amaigeria yo liganyare ko bagakoenanwa ucia saborokia abaguchikonyaireria gucia saborokiwa ayibaranyare ko bagwetanga anene basukano eye chinguru cy'umuriro anene ase chiskuru no nyene chinga cyabo.
Once it is given to the teachers, it will be disseminated to the learners, and of course we expect to have reduced or minimized cases of electrocutions among the learners. Kisii being quite rampant because of issues of lightning, so we need good works, electrical works, and also we need the people, even the larger community, to be aware of matters electrical safety.
And with that level of penetration, cases of electrocutions have really risen up, and it is our endeavor that we have this culture from the grassroots, more so from the school-going children, so that as they grow up, they have that safe culture within them, and with that they'll also be able to share with also the wider members of the society. Largely also, we are also emphasizing that whenever you are doing your electrical
boigo abo bisabu be company ya Kenya Power nigo baboriri abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyara ko bagutumia abantu babwate ubumanyi be stima ase oborose w'istima ase chinga cyabo chinga kicyonsi asabago batebira maigeri yinagendera ko baga kugendera gucyase ci county chinde
connections or interactions. You engage a qualified person, people who have been mandated to do so by the regulator, that is EPRA, to do the connections for you, so that at least when you are making use of electricity, you are using it in a safe manner. Electricity is kind of an integral part of our life at the moment, and at the moment we can't do without electricity.
Is being carried out in the month of April and May in 15 counties, which have got highest number of electrocutions across the country.